Today, we're making chocolate chip cookies. Yum. So we're going to start off with 1 cup and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and give that a good mix until well combined. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And beat that together with a hand mixer on low speed until nice and fluffy. And to that, add 1/4 cup of light brown sugar and beat once again until well combined. It should look something like this. So take 1 bar of milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whichever one you like better, and we're going to break it in half. And then we're going to cut it into small pieces. You should have around a 1/3 cup. To my butter and sugar mixture, I'm going to crack in 1 whole medium egg, and I'm going to mix that together until well combined. So add your flour mixture little by little and mix with your electric mixer until all well combined. Add in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or if you don't have vanilla extract, you can just use maple syrup or honey and mix that together. You may need to scrape down your bowl because we've been mixing so much and it may have splattered everywhere. So fold in your chopped up chocolate pieces, and we're not going to mix with our electric mixer because it might break them up and you don't want that. Now if you've never folded it before, it's basically using your spatula to go under and over. Cover your bowl with food-safe plastic wrap. And let it chill in the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop them onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. It depends on how big your ice cream scoop is to lay them how far apart. These do spread, so you want to keep them about 1.5 inches apart. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and then put them in there for 8 to 10 minutes. Be careful, when they're out of the oven, they are very hot. As they are hot, they are also very delicate, so you want to let them chill in the refrigerator for 45 minutes before consuming.